everybody to our show. This is Custom Fab Garage on our channel Octane TV on YouTube. Make sure you go down below and hit that subscribe button, and on top of that, make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you can get all the new content that comes out weekly and even every day. Be putting this wicker bill today on the Scatpack. We'll kind of show you what we're going to be doing with that, with doing the full install and everything. Customer brought in the Zl1 Addons Wicker bill to us, so we're going to go ahead and install that on his Scatpack for us today. We're going to be doing this new Scatpack charger. Going to be installing a WICKERBILL spoiler from Zl1 Addons. We're going to show you how we're going to be doing that today. This is what his factory spoiler looks like, and this is the piece that we're going to be adding on to it first with the clear acrylic piece. So we'll kind of show you how that works. I need your help because we got to make this. We have to make this part flush, right? We have to get this appropriate under here. So, Kevin, does that look centered to you? Does that look centered? So this has to be flush up here. There has to be a gap because it'll hit the trunk line. So we need it flush up here because this is going like this. I know, but you see? Yeah. Do you want to get it up there?
I like that. How do we go with that?
Curved.
Because it is curved. I think this thing might go me over.
Huh? You go the other way back. So we found our center here. We're going to drill this hole out with our 3/8 inch drill bit. That's what Zl1 Addon says to use. So we're going to go into here. Just make sure we get that where it needs to go.
Fiberglass or plastic?
It looks like it's fiberglass.
I think it's fiberglass.
But it was supposed to be plastic. Okay, let me go grab the roof nut. Most of these spoilers are plastic. I'm wondering if this one was added on afterwards or what, but I made one of these in middle class. Okay, so we need you got 10-30 seconds. This one is 1/4-20. So you'll want to. I got it pretty tight though. Okay, we're gonna put our nutsert in. You gotta get it all the way up in there, Beavis. Is it? If I need to waller it out a little more, just let me know.
Yeah.
You gotta get it all the way in there, buddy. So we got the NUSTART in here. Beavis did a really good job of getting that in here. So we're gonna go ahead and put the wing on here and bolt it in. That way we can mark where all of our other holes are going to go on the spoiler. That way we can get everything lined up with the center right here. Oh, how'd that happen? That's crazy. See if it does that.
Yeah, nice.
Who the is that guy? All right, so we got that.
This side we need to go down just a little bit to get it where it's even with that spoiler. Yeah, this would be a bitch to do by yourself.
All right. Beavis, you got. Hey Beavis,
Yes.
if you want, okay, we don't have to videotape anymore. We got nothing drilling holes.
Like we live in Indiana. This is what our cars always look like.
Oh yeah.
Buddy.
You good, Beavis?
Beavis. I was moving and scooting, gonna squirt.
Once we're done with this, we're going
I'll give you something to eat.
to Two steaks smaller than nothing. Got all the rib nuts in with Kevin's face. All of them are in. Now we're gonna go ahead and start mounting everything up. Not quite sure why he chose spray some gain in there. You can spray gain in that element base over there, it's a block. Not a fan of it. It's gonna have a whole lot of shit on it, but tighten these bad boys up by hand. Do not use a drill. You will crack either the acrylic or the fiberglass. One of the two. We did opt, we paid for it out of our pocket because I didn't want the customer having rust on his car, so we took out and we actually got stainless. This is actual stainless. So we did not want the customer to have rust or anything else popping out of his car, so we opted to get the stainless, so we paid for that out of our pocket. Is that everything you wanted? You'll blow it off, Beavis? With your big ass blower? All right, here's the finished product. It does fit really nice. It looks really nice. Most of them we've done are not clear. On this one, they're black. So that's something that's a little bit different. I've never seen one that's just like a tinted acrylic. But it does look nice. Fits really well, looks really good. Peace.